Today we will show you 5 handy woodworking tools that will make your workflow easier, faster, and safer, and you won't regret buying them. Plus, the price of each one of these tools is under $25. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to The Bunker. I'm Johnny and this is my wife Tanya.
Hello.
As woodworkers, I think we all strive on making our work process more efficient because after all, time is money. Not only do we want to increase our profit margins, but we also want to accomplish more with less while maintaining safety. With these next 5 woodworking tools in your arsenal, it will make it possible for you to reach these goals, and they're all under $25. Also, make sure you watch till the end of the video to learn about a unique handy woodworking tool called the Rocket Blaster, a tool that is so simple yet extremely effective. Stick around to find out. Okay, let's start with the Push Pro Push Stick by Bow Products. This unique push stick will definitely make your work at the table saw much safer than not using a push stick or push block at all. The Push Pro weighs only 6.6 ounces, is 18 inches in length. It has a good ergonomic design and it feels very comfortable in the hand. It features a high density EVA tip. EVA stands for ethylene vinyl acetate, which is an industrial grade, super strong material that is pliable, incredibly durable, firm, and also has memory. Less rigid than hard plastic, EVA absorbs vibration and will give before it mars even the softest of woods. It absorbs vibration and chatter for a cleaner cut. It will also not bleed color or flake onto the wood, and it conforms slightly to the wood for better feed control. Should the Push Pro accidentally contact a blade, the EVA tip will easily and safely cut away. Once the EVA tip becomes damaged beyond use, you can easily replace the EVA tip and the Push Pro will be as good as new. Unlike plastic push sticks, EVA tips will not harm carbide tip blades and EVA will not set off a saw stop. The Push Pro is even customizable and its design allows you to adapt a custom handle of your own made of wood, for example. Amazon sells Push Pro sticks for $21.99 and 2 replacement tips for $9.99. Bow also sells other types of safety devices with EVA, such as the Mini Push Pro Push Stick, the Feather Pro Featherboard, and the Guide Pro Bandsaw Guide, also available on Amazon.
The words that best describe this next tool are easy to use, versatile, and precise. That tool is the 6-inch Precision T-Rule by Incra. The rule has a low glare, matte textured background for high contrast and easy to read. Rather than readjusting your tool for your next mark as you would with a combination square, simply select the proper hole or slot. Insert a 0.5 millimeter pencil and make your mark with dead-on accuracy. This T-Rule offers Incra's patented marking holes at every 16th, 32nd, and 64th of an inch from 0 to 6 inches. It also has slotted height marking holes at every 32nd of an inch on the end. It's great for detailed small projects and layout jobs. You can find it on Amazon for $17.99.
Before we continue, we want to thank you for all your support. We truly appreciate it. This journey would not be possible without you. If you're getting value from this video so far, please click the like button and please consider subscribing for more content just like this. Also, if you have any woodworking tips or suggestions that you'd like to share with us in order to make any particular work process easier, faster, safer, and more efficient, please consider emailing them to us at thebunkersubs@gmail.com.
If we use your tip in a future video, we will give you a shout out. All right, let's continue to our next handy tool.
All right. The next tool you won't regret buying is the 1-2-3 block. The 1-2-3 block is a solid steel block measuring 1 inch by 2 inches by 3 inches, ground to tolerances of 1/1000th of an inch, and the squareness of all sides is within 0.02 of an inch. It can be used to set distances, depths, or heights, like at the table saw, router saw, miter saw, bandsaw, or drill press. They can be used as stop blocks at the table saw or to position your workpieces during assembly or glue up. I keep mine by the table saw. You can get 2 blocks from Amazon for $18.99.
Next is the 4-piece silicone glue kit made of a silicone rubber. This glue kit makes your glue ups and cleanup a lot easier. It includes a 1/2 inch brush, a 1 inch brush, a piece with a 2 inch squeegee on one end, and a 3.5 inch comb spreader on the other end. And you can use the 1/2 inch brush on smaller and narrower stock, and the 1 inch brush on larger or wider stock. The comb and squeegee can be used for gluing up larger surfaces, such as when you need to laminate 2 pieces of wood together, and the comb leaves perfect glue grooves for better coverage and adhesion. The silicone tray will conveniently hold your glue, and simply dip the brushes or the comb into the tray. When done with your glue up, you can simply pour any remaining glue back into your glue bottle using the funnel end of the tip on the glue tray. Lastly, because each piece is made of silicone, they are very easy to clean. If glue is not yet dry, you can very easily clean each piece with warm water. If you forget about cleaning them right away and the glue dries, not to worry. Simply peel off the dried glue from your pieces and they'll be good as new and ready to be used again. The Amazon price for this kit is $15.99.
For the final tool, I have Giotto's Rocket Air Blaster. When you're woodworking and you find yourself making sawdust, as they say, do you ever find yourself either getting out of breath because you're trying to continuously blow sawdust out of your work area, or you have to stop, go grab your air nozzle, connect it to the air hose, and finally run the air compressor hose to your work area to blow away all the sawdust, where you also wind up blowing away any small parts within the vicinity, which means now you have to waste more time picking everything off the floor.
Yeah.
Not to mention, you also have to deal with the noisy air compressor. Well, with Giotto's Rocket Air Blaster, you no longer have to deal with the hassle. First of all, it looks like a cool little rocket. It's very unique and it works great. All you do is squeeze it to force air out of it in order to clear the area of any sawdust, and it's just the perfect amount of air with every squeeze and the perfect amount of pressure to get the job done. If one squeeze doesn't fully do the job, simply squeeze again and again until you're satisfied. It's made of a durable, long-lasting rubber construction. It stands upright and it's about 7.5 inches tall and 2.5 inches wide. Lastly, after every squeeze, it expands quickly, making it ready to be used over and over again almost instantly. If you're interested in the Rocket Air Blaster, just head to Amazon where it sells for $17.99, or you can click the link below.
Those were 5 handy woodworking tools that you definitely won't regret buying, and each one under $25. If there's any handy tools that you recommend, let us know in the comments section down below. We'd like to hear about them.
Also, if you enjoy woodworking but haven't started yet, we want to encourage and motivate you to start as soon as you're able to. If there's something holding you back and you don't know what to do, please don't hesitate to reach out to us in the comments section or via email at thebunkersubs@gmail.com, and we'll do our very best to help you overcome your obstacles so you can start woodworking.
If you enjoyed the video, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and click the bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads. Also, share this video on all your social medias and let us know if you'd like to see more handy tools in future videos.
With all that said, we want to thank you for watching. Y'all take it easy and remember to exercise your right to bear tools. Over and out.